friends, Chef Wainaina here. Let's make this delicious and easy to make beef with potatoes and cabbage curry, a dish that you can do on any day of the week. For this delicious recipe, I have these 4 pounds beef chuck pot roast that I'm going to remove from this package and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Gloves on to work with the raw beef. I'll probably save this piece, and then for this one I'm going to remove the tendons and the cartridges. This is very good for roasting in the oven. All these breaks down. Fairly large size. They will shrink as they cook. This beef looks good to me. Just before I put it aside, I always like to season my beef right on the cutting board. Black pepper. We'll set this beef onto this plate and then start prepping the veggies. Now for the aromatics, 1 large onion, a small head of garlic, and ginger. Peel and dice the onion. Set these onions aside. Aromatics done. Just before I start the rest of the ingredients, I need cilantro, stems, and some of the leaves. I'll use that for cooking. The tender leaves we'll use for finishing and garnishing. For the next part of this recipe, I have some Idaho red potatoes, about 8 of them. You can use 6 large. Have a bowl with some cold water. Just peel this. You can actually use this unpeeled. Now just before I cut the potatoes, I will peel the carrots. And actually work with the carrots first. About the same size, or just slightly smaller than the size I will cut the potatoes. Now with the potatoes, I'm going just to quarter them. Just like so. Now I'll wash this yellow bell pepper. Now cut it into fairly large size. Whenever I'm cooking, especially one pot dishes, I always prefer to do a minimum of about 5 different vegetables just for variety and textures. Cabbage. This is leftover from my previous use. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button down below. Support this channel and I will appreciate it. Boom. All done. Cut this lemon. Squeeze out the lemon juice. This will add some acidity in our dish. All prep work done, onto the stove and start cooking. All ingredients will be in the description box. Now this beef has been boiling here for a good amount of time. We just wanted to give it a head start before we add the rest of the vegetables. Nice balance. The sauce has slightly thickened. The potato will do the rest. Now add the potatoes. This is a very good dishes that are easy to do on weekdays. Very good for entertaining, especially if you are hosting a crowd. Carrots, the peppers, add the cabbage, let everything cook all together. Also a good time to add the cilantro stems. Season with some salt and pepper, and then we will adjust the seasoning towards the end. Now Stir everything. Turn the heat all the way up. Bring back to a boil. Cover and cook until the potatoes are softened. Lay it back. This pot has been bubbling for a good amount of time. Just poke them with a knife. This is good. Now check for the seasoning so that we can adjust it at this point. Maybe a touch more salt. A good time to add the lemon juice. Good amount of cilantro. Stir, stir, and this dish is ready to go to the table. Just looks so beautiful here. Look at how beautiful it is. This as it is, or with a side of rice or chapati, you got yourself a delicious dinner. Some cilantro. Take a piece of this beef, some of the cabbages and some of the sauce. A piece of the potato. So there you have it, friends, a dish that you can make on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.